look here through the window, you can see there's trucks all up and down the highway. They've been forced to go to the side of the road. Ooh, okay. I don't have a shovel. Okay, rumor has it we're gonna be ready to go soon. So I'm gonna run the truck for a while prior to that. These guys are already running their trucks. These guys are my neighbors here. They're very nice, trying to stay warm in their little sleepers. They're happy they got sleepers. Oh, here comes a couple cars now, so maybe it is open now. Just about all ready to go here. Yep, see, look, here comes a snowplow. Yay! I'll go see if they removed the sign. Oh, he's putting salt down. Okay, they blasted the horn, so they're letting everybody go now. So, yep, we're going. Okay, we're off. Gotta be careful though. It's that precarious temperature where it's like half ice and half snow, you know? It's very difficult. Oops, okay. Whoa. These guys are parked right out in the middle. There's probably going to be a couple of miles of trucks coming the other way, so I'm going to have to play dodgeball for a while, I think. Look at this, guys. Check it out. Mile after mile of trucks. Okay, another road closure for 5 hours. There's a couple of fatalities just on the other side of town here. Alright, well, when in doubt, just go into a Timmy's, grab a coffee, and let's regroup and see what's what. I use my little favorite app called Gas Buddy. Tells me exactly what the best prices are, where they are. Crappy Tire wants 40 bucks for propane too. Capascasing as far as I could get. That was it. But hey, it is what it is. I'm gonna see if I can find a dump station here. See that on the screen? No. Why? It's a cute little train station, isn't it? Oh, it's a museum too. Okay. Cool. Look at that. Wow. That is nice. Alright, so no dump station. Hello, Walmart, I'm home. Wow, this really helped last night. Noticing a bit of air coming in under the bottom of the door. So this did help. Looks like we got some company. And a plow came in and plowed around me. I didn't know that. There's a Flying J down here that has propane at a pretty good price. I might stop in and check that out. And if their diesel's cheap, I might get that too. See you later, Capascasing. This is where I got my shower last night. 15 bucks. Okay, I need a break. So there's a restaurant here. I'm just gonna go in and grab something small to go and then just jump in the back and have a little nap. Looks like it's a motel too. This is my baby. She's so pretty. So dirty. I hear there's rain down south. Let's go find it. That right there is North Bay. It's called North Bay. It's a city. It's a fair-sized city, actually. Either that or we could go to a Walmart or something. I'm sure there's a Walmart here somewhere. Oh, hell. It's closed. I say we just park right there. Either that or go find a Walmart. Get directions to Walmart.
Getting directions to Walmart Supercenter using Google Maps.
I gotta say though, it's not what I would call a pretty town. Okay, we're here, and it's a mall. I can go cruise around the mall for a while, although I don't imagine it's open very much longer. And I feel so good. I had a shower. Cost me 15 bucks, but I had a shower. Anyway, it's not a bad day. I think that's a good day. It leaves me approximately maybe 350 clicks tomorrow to get into town. I'll see you all in the morning, I guess. Let's go get it. Okay, so let's do this. Final push, get into town. It's gonna be busy too when I get there because I gotta go to the dump quickly. Like I'm full, I'm at max. I need water, I need propane, I need gas. I need. It's a lot of needs. Check this out, everyone. It's an app called Gas Buddy. You find gas, it looks for the area you're in, and oh my god, that's expensive for diesel. $2 a liter. $1.70 is the cheapest at Canadian Tire. Thanks, Walmart. Thank you, North Bay. Hello, sunshine.
There are police reported ahead.
Stop for a minute. Okay, we're done. We're done on this trip. It was an exciting trip. There was lots of things going on that shouldn't have. You know, got blocked in by a storm. You know, big accidents. Anyways, thanks for coming along. I'll be laying low for a little while. I might do a couple videos, but they won't be big trips right away because I got to take care of some business first. But yeah, thanks for coming along. Let's go get it.